Hi everyone, this is Komal. We are waiting for others to join. We'll wait for 5 minutes and we'll start. Till then, as you all know, the Craftistan page, and please pin my video. Otherwise, you'll not be able to see me. You'll be seeing others' video. Okay. Okay, let's start. Hi, this is Komal. I'm a fashion designer and the creative head of Craftistan. Craftistan, our handmade store with many products you can give to your loved ones on any occasions and all. Today we'll be making two cards. One a big card and a small card. Okay. And I'll be repeating once when you every step I'll repeat once, and please everyone, we have sent you the link of our survey. Please fill that survey so that you can get the updates immediately when we'll update some other products or if we are doing any other session. Okay, and please subscribe and like our page and follow our page Craftistan on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. Fine? Okay, let's start our card. Okay, now we'll be starting. We'll be doing this card, this one. It is like this. Okay, we'll be doing this card. This is a step box card. Okay, we'll start the process of making this, and for this we'll need things: a chart paper, two printed sheets, scale, pencil, eraser and Fevicol. Okay, then let's start. For making this, first we'll make the base of this card, which is this. We'll make this base card. Iska measurements 32 inches, 32 centimeters for width and 16 centimeter length. Okay, so I'll take 32 centimeter. Here, यहाँ से 16 सेंटीमीटर, कोई है जो मेरे साथ साथ कार्ड बना रहा है, मेक अलोंग कर रहे हैं? और जो लास्ट सेशन में भी था और अभी भी है हमारे साथ?
ये मेरा फर्स्ट सेशन है।
गुड, ओके. We'll cut this.
Can you please repeat?
32 centimeter and 16 centimeter. That's it. अभी उतना ही किया मैंने और इसको मैं कट कर रही हूँ.
आपका तो इतना छोटा है पर मेरे वाले में तो बहुत बड़ा है।
क्या चीज? क्या छोटा और क्या बड़ा है?
ये
मैंने
जो आपने बॉक्स कट किया है।
सेंटीमीटर बोला है, 32 सेंटीमीटर, 16 सेंटीमीटर, इंचेस नहीं। थर्टी टू सेंटीमीटर, इंचेस में नहीं लेना है। ये देखो, ये 32 सेंटीमीटर और ये 16 सेंटीमीटर है, इंचेस में नहीं लेना है। ओके, और अब हम इसको 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे। विल डिवाइड दिस इन 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स। 32 है, विल डिवाइड इट इन 8 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स। ओके, 8 सेंटीमीटर। I have a measuring board, so I'm measuring here 8 8 8. Okay, now I'll draw a line. Hmm. 8 8 8 8. Okay, 8 centimeter. I have divided them in 4 equal parts, and now I'll fold them like this. मैंने इसको फोल्ड कर लिया है ऐसे, ये ऐसे हो जाएगा। ओके, अब हम इसके अंदर का बॉक्सेस बनाएंगे। मेक द इनसाइड बॉक्सेस फॉर दिस। फॉर बॉक्सेस द मेजरमेंट इज 16 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 16 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, 4 बॉक्सेस चाहिए हमें, तो हम 4 पेपर्स कट करेंगे। 16 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 16 सेंटीमीटर के 4 बॉक्सेस कट करेंगे हम। ओके, 16 सेंटीमीटर, 16 सेंटीमीटर, 16 सेंटीमीटर। कोई है जो मेरे साथ बना रहा है?
मम्मी।
वेरी गुड। आपका नाम जो हमारे साथ बना रहा है?
बारबिलोनिया। हम 16 सेंटीमीटर की जगह 15 ले सकते हैं?
नहीं, नहीं ले सकते, 16 ही लेना पड़ेगा, वरना बॉक्स छोटा हो जाएगा। हो गया? और कोई बना रहा है? और कोई है जो हमारे साथ साथ बना रहा है? जो जो बना रहे हैं अपने कार्ड्स को बना के हमारे उसमें भेजिए. प्लीज टैग our page Craftistan on Instagram or send us. We'll update on our page as we updated in the last session of people who have sent us. We have updated them. Okay. ये
ऑलरेडी कितने सेक्शन हो चुके हैं?
ये सेकेंड सेशन है.
ओके मैम, तो मैं सेकंड सेशन में हूँ.
ओके. मैंने 4 पीसेस कट कर लिए हैं 4 बॉक्सेस के लिए. ठीक है, सेम 4 पीसेस. ओके ओके. अब इसमें चारों तरफ ऑल 4 साइड्स हम 4
बना रहा हूँ.
वेरी गुड. ऑल 4 साइड्स हम 4 सेंटीमीटर मार्क करेंगे. ऑल 4 साइड्स. ओके, 4 सेंटीमीटर ऑन ऑल 4 साइड्स. centimeter on all 4 sides. और अब हम इसको ज्वाइन कर लेंगे ऐसे. Join all the 4 sides like this. Okay. और अब इसको ऐसे फोल्ड करेंगे. Fold like this. इसको एकदम स्टिफ कर लेंगे ऐसे. ऐसे स्टिफ कर लेंगे पूरा ताकि वो फोल्ड हो सके पूरा. ठीक है. अब हम कट करेंगे. ध्यान देना कैसे प्लीज. ऐसे, फिर इसको ऐसे घुमाएंगे यहाँ, फिर ऐसे घुमाएंगे यहाँ और इस तरफ. I'm repeating again. We fold all the 4 sides. Then we have cut this side, this and this side to make it a box. Now we'll fold it like this on the inward side. Okay. This and like this. See, box ban gaya. We'll use the Fevicol. फेविकॉल लगाएंगे चारों तरफ और
मैम एक बार किस साइज का कट करना है फिर से रिपीट करोगे?
हाँ, 1 सेकेंड कर रही हूँ मैं. इसको चिपका लूँ फिर कर रही हूँ. ये 16 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 16 सेंटीमीटर का स्क्वायर है. चारों तरफ मैं 4 सेंटीमीटर ड्रॉ करके मैं वापस ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ. 4 बॉक्सेस बनाने. मैंने अभी 1 बॉक्स बनाया है. ये देखिए, मैंने 1 बॉक्स बनाया है. मैं वापस बना रही हूँ. 4 सेंटीमीटर मैंने यहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ कर ली. ये 16 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 16 सेंटीमीटर का पेपर है और मैंने 4 सेंटीमीटर चारों तरफ इसमें लाइन खींचनी है. ऐसे ऐसे, ठीक है। फिर इन चारों को फोल्ड करना है। ऐसे चारों तरफ फोल्ड करके हम बॉक्स बना लेंगे और इसको ऐसे कट करेंगे यहाँ से। जिन्होंने अभी अभी ज्वाइन किया है, जिन लोगों ने, और बीच में से कार्ड देख रहे हैं, तो कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है। हमारे पास वीडियो है, हम उसे यूट्यूब, फेसबुक इस पे अपडेट करेंगे, तो आप वहाँ से भी देख सकते हो। और अब इसको ऐसे, जैसे हमने लास्ट बॉक्स बनाया था वैसे ये बॉक्स भी बन जाएगा। बस हमें इसे
मैम,
हाँ
मैम, actually I was late for the class. Can you tell me what are we doing?
2 minutes, I'll tell you. हम ये वाला कार्ड बना रहे हैं। हम ये कार्ड बना रहे हैं। इसके लिए मैंने अभी ये वाला शीट कट किया है। जिसने अभी अभी मुझसे पूछा था कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम ये कार्ड बना रहे हैं, उसके लिए मैंने ये शीट कट किया है। बेस शीट इसका कट किया है 32 × 16 सेंटीमीटर का। और अब हम इसके अंदर के ये वाले बॉक्सेस बना रहे हैं, जिसका मेजरमेंट 16 सेंटीमीटर × 16 सेंटीमीटर है। और अब मैंने 2 बॉक्सेस बना लिए हैं और 2 और बनाने हैं, तो मैं 2 बॉक्सेस बना रही हूँ।
स्क्वायर पेपर ले सकते हैं
क्या?
We can take any one square paper.
नहीं, उसके मेजरमेंट से लेना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज बॉक्सेस छोटे बड़े हो जाएंगे तो बनेगा नहीं। मेजरमेंट थोड़ा भी इधर उधर होगा तो कार्ड बनेगा नहीं। इस मेजरमेंट, ये वाला जो मेजरमेंट है, ये जो मेजरमेंट है, इसके हिसाब से हमें बॉक्स लेना पड़ेगा। ये रहा। अगर इसके हिसाब से हम बॉक्स नहीं लेंगे तो वो कार्ड बनेगा नहीं। ये हम इसको वापस कट कर रहे हैं। मैं ये वापस रिपीट कर रही हूँ कि ये इस तरफ से कट करना है, ऐसे हर सेम कट नहीं करना है। ये अगर इधर से किया है तो ये इधर से करना है, ये इधर से करना है और ये इधर से करना है। सब सेम नहीं होगा, अदरवाइज बॉक्स नहीं बनेगा, ठीक है। किसी को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है क्या ज्वाइन करने में? गूगल मीट पे ज्वाइन करने में किसी को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है क्या? कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है किसी को ज्वाइन करने में तो आप हमें बता सकते हो। कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं हो रही किसी को?
मैम,
हाँ
मैम,
हाँ,
can you tell us from the beginning, like I was late for the class?
I have repeated. Okay, I'll tell. I'm making a box card step box card. I have made the base for that, and I'm doing the boxes for that. I have made 3 boxes, and this is the 4th one I'm making. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes. Please, who are not talking, please unmute your video. Others can't listen me, please. See, I'm doing the same. I'm marking on 4 centimeter.
ma'am, can you please tell me the measurements?
This is 16 centimeter by 16 centimeter, and I have marked 4 centimeter each side.
4 centimeter each side, right, ma'am?
Each side. This is 4 centimeter each side, and this is 16 centimeter by 16 centimeter. The paper is.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
If you're having any issues, no problem. We will update our video on YouTube. And from there you can see, and please subscribe our page and follow us on Instagram. And there is a survey message which we have sent, and we are sending the link on this in the chat. Please fill that survey so that you can get the news of other products or any other sessions when we are doing directly by message or by email. Please fill that survey, and I have cut it from all the 4 sides this like this, and now I'll be putting Fevicol and sticking it be like this. It will become a box like this. And who are making along with me, please send us the photo or video which you are making. We'll update on our page as we have done in our last video. Last session we have updated. See, I have sticked it, and I'm ready with all my 4 boxes. Here I have made with all my 4 boxes and this base. Okay, now the base is ready. Now we will decorate our card. Okay, first we'll stick on the back side. This is the front side, and we'll stick on the back side. Okay, for this I have taken.
Ma'am, can you tell me what are the measurements for the base?
32 centimeter into 16 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter, will take 7.5 centimeter. This is 16 centimeter, will take 15.5 centimeter. For 15.5 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter, we'll cut 4 pieces.
Thank you.
7.5 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter, 7.5 and 7.5 centimeter, and this is 15.5 centimeter here and 15.5 centimeter here. We'll draw a line. Seven point five, 7.5, 7.5 and 7.5. I have taken 7.5 4 pieces of this. Can you see my video? Can you see this? How I'm making?
Can you please repeat?
I have taken the measurement 7.5 centimeter into 15.5 centimeter, and I have taken 4 pieces of that. And now I'll stick it here. Stick them here like this. Okay, I'll be sticking it here. Use gum. And I'll be sticking it like this.
You have taken 7.5 centimeter and 15.5 centimeter.
Yes. And I have sticked all my 4 papers here. Okay. See, it is like this. I have sticked. Press it nicely so it doesn't get out. Like this. Okay. And now we'll cut decorative pieces of this part. Okay. And only 3 sides will stick the decorative pieces. One side will be sticked here like this. Okay. So 3 parts. It is, we'll take 3.5 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Who has said to repeat and what do I have to repeat? Okay. This I'm taking 3.5 and 7.5, and I need 3 for 1 box, so 12 for 4 boxes. Okay, same size pieces, 12 pieces for boxes. Okay, 3.5 and 7.5. So I'm taking 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, and 7.5 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter, and 7.5 centimeter. Okay. And here again 3.5, 3.5 and 3.5. I'll join. I need 12 pieces, so I'm doing it together so I get them easily. Like this, and then again I'll mark here 7.5 and 7.5, 7.5, 7.5, 7.5, and this is also 7.5. Those who have just joined, please fill our survey form so that we can know. See, we have 12 pieces, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 6 12 pieces. Okay, now I'll cut it. The link is in the text messages. please fill our survey form. Yes. So you become, as we say, who are with us, and we tell them Craftisans, as it is land of surprises, Craftistan. So who follow us, who subscribe us, and who will fill that page will become Craftisans. You'll get our messages personally and updates of new session or new other products which we will update on our page directly. And I got all my 12 pieces. Now I'll stick them here. See. Like this. Only 3 sides, not the 4th side, okay? Only 3 sides. Any 3 sides. On all the boxes.
Ma'am, what is your YouTube name?
What?
What is your YouTube name?
What is my
YouTube name.
YouTube name? Craftistan.
Craftistan. Okay, ma'am.
Craftistan cards, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sending the link. See in the message. I'm sending the link, okay? Okay, we are ready with all our 4 boxes. Now we'll stick our boxes here. So the first box, this side where we have not stick, we'll stick here like this at the edge, downside, okay? So put the Fevicol here and paste it here like this, okay? Press from the inside side and like this, okay? The next one will be from 4 centimeter up from the down side, okay? Mark 4 centimeter here and like this, paste it like this, okay? See, the next will be 8 centimeter. Take 8 centimeter from here, mark 8 centimeter, take a box, put the Fevicol on the plain side where we have not put the paper and paste it like this here, and the last box will be 12 centimeter from the downside. Take 12 centimeter here, mark here and paste here. Now I'll turn the card and I'll paste it properly like this, so it stick properly. Like this. See, I'm folding the card and it get folded. Now we'll decorate here. Okay, so the measurement is, this is 12 centimeter. We'll take 2 papers of 12 centimeter, 2 papers of 8 centimeter and 2 papers of 4 centimeter. Okay, so here I have a paper and this is 7.5. Okay, I have to take 12 centimeter and 12 centimeter. I need 2 papers, 2 sheets of 12 centimeter. And we'll cut it. I have 2 sheets of 12 centimeter. Now 2 sheets of 8 centimeter. Okay, and 2 sheets of 4 centimeter. 2 sheets of 8 centimeter and 2 sheets of 4 centimeter. As this card is taking time, so we'll be showing the next card. Please don't go anywhere. If you want to see, the next card is very easy and very simple and take very less time, like 10 minutes maximum. Okay, so don't leave. This card is taking time, but this is very pretty. Okay, see. Four. 8 centimeter from here, and we'll mark these 2 like this, and please fill our survey page so we can know what we have to do in the next session, who wants what others want in our next session. Okay, so now we'll put this here. Put Fevicol and paste it here like this. Take the another one and paste it here. Now take 8 centimeter paper and paste. Again and paste. Paste it here and paste it here. Now we'll make the cap of this card. This one we'll make this. For this, take the measurement 16.5 centimeter into 16.5 centimeter. I will take 16.5 into 16.5. Okay. This and 16.5. 16.5. Cut it. The small kids who are using this cutter, be careful using this, okay, or otherwise use scissor. Now mark 4 centimeter from each side, okay, 4 centimeter on each side, 4 centimeter. Anyone who need this board or material which I am using for this card, anything, you can ping us and we'll provide you. As we are soon be launching our own store, online store, where you can buy these products also and those products also which we make and sell. Soon we'll be sending you the link. For getting that personally, please fill a survey form so that I can know on what I have to do the another session. Okay, now we'll cut it. The same which we have done for the box. See. Okay, the same which we have done for the box. And now we'll put the Fevicol and make it a box. It's not exactly a box, this is a cap, but it will look like a box as we have made the same box for the inside one. See.
How do we have to make the lid?
Take measurement of 16.5 centimeter into 16.5 centimeter and mark 4 centimeter on all the sides and fold it like this. See,
Okay.
the lid is ready. Now we'll decorate it. This is 8.5 centimeter. I'll take 8 centimeter and this is again 3.5 and 7.5. So 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter. And again 3.5 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter. Like this, we'll need 4 papers for 4 sides, okay? 3.5, 3.5, 7.5, 7.5. सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? You are getting, right? Tell me who are not getting or who are getting, or no one is getting. Hello?
Ma'am, I'm getting it.
You're getting, you're not getting?
Ma'am, I'm getting it.
Ma'am, is this the second card?
No, this is the first card. We'll be making the second card. Please don't go anywhere. This is the first card we are making. This is the end of the first card. We are just decorating the lid and the card will be ready.
How do we have to cut the lid?
Take 16.5 centimeter into 16.5 centimeter square. Mark 4 centimeter on each side. Fold it. And the lid will be ready. As we make a box, we made the box same.
Ma'am, I'm asking that here we have to cut like this for both sides.
What?
We have to cut the both sides where we have marked 4.5 centimeter.
Not all the sides. Not all the sides. I have told how to cut. See, how I'll tell you. This is, see, if I have taken, this is a square card and I have marked like this, 4 sides, then cut like this side, then this side, then this side and this side, and then fold it. It will become a box. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, we have the lid and I'll paste it and the card is ready. Sorry. See, I'm pasting it like this. So the lid is ready. Okay, we are running short with the time. 5 minutes left. Who all want me to teach you the second card and want to stay? Please message or please tell me. Please message us or please tell us. See, I'm folding it. See, as I'm folding it, see, the card is ready. If something is wrong, maybe my measurement is wrong, maybe I have taken a small, but the measurement which I have given you is correct. Maybe my box has become big or box has become small. So the measurements are same. See here, my box has become little bit big one, so it's not folding. Okay. The card is ready and this is the lid. See, it will be like this. See, it will be easily folded. See, okay. and this is the lid. You can gift it to someone and gift the small gifts inside this and gift it to someone. You can put chocolates, you can put another small cards like I have put in here, happy birthday, like this, and you can gift it to anyone for any occasion. Okay, these papers are with me. Anyone want it, please tell us, message us directly. We'll supply you this things. Okay, who other wants me to show the next card?
And me.
Please tell me other who wants me to teach you the second card, or I'll stop here. See, the second card is this.
Ma'am, me.
See, the second card is this. Flip flap card. You want me to teach you this? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll start.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll start with the measurement. The measurement is, see, the measurement is 20 centimeter into 13 centimeter. 20 centimeter into 13 centimeter. We'll take 20 centimeter into 13 centimeter.
Ma'am, can you wait?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Ma'am, centimeters?
Yes, 20 centimeter into 13 centimeter. Twenty centimeter into 13 centimeter, and I will cut it like this.
Ma'am, 20 length.
What?
Is 20 centimeter length.
This is 20 centimeter width and 13 centimeter length. Okay.
Okay.
Now we'll mark 8 centimeter from here. From the left side. From right side we'll mark 8 centimeter here. And 8 centimeter, and we'll make a line like this. Then 4. Now we'll divide the other in 4 equal parts. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 4 centimeter.
Ma'am, can you repeat the centimeters?
What?
Can you repeat the centimeters?
8 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, this is like this. So we'll fold this side and this one this side. The first line of 4 centimeter this side and this, it will be like this. Okay, now we will cut this part inside this. Okay, so we will be taking on this line, on the last line we will be taking 3 centimeter from here, 3 centimeter from here, 3 centimeter from here, 3 centimeter from here, and 4 centimeter like this here, 4 centimeter like this here, and see, we will make a rectangle like this. Okay, now I will cut this. So we don't have to cut full, okay, only this part, this part, this part and this part, only these 4 parts, these 4 lines, okay, and this one, these lines, not the full, otherwise it will come out. To cut it like this, here, 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 and this. See? And सबको समझ में आ रहा है? देखो,
Yes, ma'am.
see, we'll fold it like this. See, okay? इसको हम this and like this. Now we will paste it here.
Ma'am, was it 7.5 centimeter?
For this, for pasting it here, this is 7.5 centimeter and this is 12.5 centimeter. And now we will cut the remaining part like this. You can use scissor to cut it. I am using the cutter. See. Okay. And this is also 12.5 and 3.5. I'll take 3.5 here. And I'll paste it. Like this. Okay. Now here you can paste your photo. Here also, as I have pasted in this, here I have decorated it like this. I have put this here. Anything you want, you can decorate it with your own. Write anything here. Write happy birthday, write happy anniversary, happy Holi, happy Diwali, anything. Write your quotation here. Put your pictures here, this here or here. Anything what you want to do. It's on you. This is just a base card, and now you can decorate it with yourself, with your own. We know there were a connection problem this time, so we are sorry for that. Give us a feedback on how to make it better. Okay, and thank you everyone for joining this session. Please follow our page on Craftistan, and please fill the form which we have given you for the survey form, so we can know who are coming from WhatsApp, email, what we have to do the next, what is the duration, and any other feedbacks. So you can get the direct message and direct updates of the cards and any other products which we will update. And
Will you send this video in YouTube?
yeah, we will update it on YouTube. Okay, and please tell us. Hope you liked it, everyone. And complete this card. Anyone who is making with me or anyone who will make, complete this card. I want to see what other things you do and tag us on our page or send us. We'll 100% put it on our Craftistan page.
Ma'am, can you open it once?
Yeah, see? It is like this.
Ma'am, can you open it and put it up? Because I didn't complete. I'll go draw it.
And hashtag, please post and hashtag Craftistan, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Please complete this card and post, okay? I want to see who do the best.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You will get the link. We will update it on our YouTube page.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day. And tell us on what we will do with the what we can do on our next session on the survey page. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.